Hello and welcome. This is Pankaj Dubey, and in this session we are going to talk about test designing phase, which is the very crucial step of STLC phase. So what actually happens in test designing phase is a tester writes the test scenarios based on the requirements that has been newly introduced or newly implemented, and based on those scenarios some test cases will be designed, and to execute those test cases some scripting needs to be done or some steps needs to be written, which is called test scripting. So this is actually a very confusing term. So to explain it, I have created one document, a basic document to explain it in much better way. So I'll just show it to you. So let's say that there is a new requirement that has come in the current SRS. Okay, and this requirement is add login services on website. So let's say that there was a website and it has no login functionality on that website. So the new requirement has been introduced that add login service on that website. Okay, so to check this requirement, there may be multiple scope of testing on that requirement. So to write those scope of testing, we create those into a called scenarios. We write some scenarios. So let's see, I have written here 3 scenarios. Check login functions. To check the login function, there could be multiple test cases written to check this scenario, and same goes with the other scenarios too. So I have written 3 scenarios here for this requirement, and those are check login functions, check user credentials encryption method, check the usability of the login page. So these are the 3 different scenarios, and there could be multiple ways of testing one scenario and checking that yes, this scenario is 100% covered by testing it using the multiple test cases. So let's say that this requirement was here, and I have designed 3 test cases for 3 scenarios for it, and now we have to design some test cases for these scenarios. Okay, so I have designed the test case on the next phase, on the next sheet. So here on the next sheet we can see here that I have written here one test case: login with valid credentials and verify the system behavior. So this is the format of test scripting, that how you write the test scripting. It is a standard format, or you can say it is just a template, and you can follow it or you can follow the company specified formats. So this is the naming convention that I'm going to follow here. This is a test case name: login with valid credentials and verify the system behavior. Prerequisites make cover that what are the test data that needs to be required in order to start your work. I have written here steps, like in step 1 what activity you need to perform and what would be the expected result, and this is the actual result column, and that needs to be filled at the time of test execution. You can write the priority as well, author, status and comment in case if any. So throughout these steps you can see that in step 1 you need to visit the URL. Your an expected result is that URL should be visited successfully. In step 2 I have written here that enter valid user ID and password. The details entered successfully is the expected result. In step 3 I have written click submit button, and expected is that button should be clicked. Step 4 is to verify, and what are the points that needs to be verified I have written under expected result. And at the time of test execution you will be the one who will be writing the actual result that you saw or you found, and you will be writing it here. So there are different tools which is available in market while executing your test cases. One is test link, which is the open source, and one is HPQC or HPALM. And ALM stands for application lifecycle management. So this is a format of test case scripting, and as I told you, as I described, that this is how the flow will flow. Add login service was the requirement. I have written 3 scenarios here. Check login function, and for each scenario there could be multiple test cases. So, and after writing the multiple test cases, you will have to write the test scripts or the test procedure to execute those test cases.